Nothing is more frustrating than seeing your website rank on the umpteenth page of Google.
I know this because I have seen there many times.
Sometimes it feels like no matter what you do, nothing works.
Google seems to hate your website, and you have no idea why.
If that sounds all too familiar, then you are in the right place. Hello everyone, I am Naresh Kumar, founder of Go Digital Plan.
In this video, we are going to show you top 10 tips to rank your website and article as well.
So let's start with wasting any times. The title of the article defines its content, and as such, a keyword-rich title holds greater weight with Google. In general, the closer the keyword is to the beginning of the title tag, the more weight it has with search engines. You can see this in action by searching for the competitive keyword in Google. As you can see, most pages that rank for competitive keywords strategically place them at the beginning of their title tags. Although not mandatory, it will make your website more relevant to what people search for. The ideal place to start putting keywords in an article is within the first 100 words. There are many to whom these come naturally, but a large number of bloggers prefer a long intro before bothering with a keyword. Suppose that your focus keyword is digital marketing. This keyword you should use at the very beginning of the article. Placing a keyword near the beginning of the article ensures that Google has an easier time in understanding the topic and relevance of the article. As keywords are essentially the backbone of on-page SEO, you need to pay a lot of attention to them. There is no reason not to include them in your URLs. The inclusion has its benefits. When you assimilate the targeted keyword into the URL, you are ensuring that Google has another reason and way to consider your article as more relevant for a particular phrase. Studies have shown that longer, fresh and unique content helps to improve ranking on Google. A target of around 2,000 words should be set in every article, with a minimum of 1,000 words at least. Because longer content helps you to adding more keywords in it. The authenticity of a post increases with longer text, which means that Google would recognize it as something more relevant than a shorter and concise text. While writing an article that you want to grasp people's attention with, you must remember to research well before writing the first word. Make sure that all the relevant information is available to you before you start. Good research results in flair, which results in long and comprehensive writing. Outbound links are the primary source of bringing more attention to your website. There are a lot of people who make the mistake of not including links to other websites/articles. Outbound links show Google that the article is both valid and informative, and both are vital requisites for ranking. Therefore, make sure that if you aren't doing so, add outbound links to each of your articles. Just make sure that the links are relevant enough to your content and from authentic and high-quality sources. Internal linking is critical to decreasing a website's bounce rate and optimization as it links to the different pages of a domain together. When link juice is spread, the users stay on the website longer, and the site traffic also increases. It improves the navigational experience for the user. Easy and accessible internal linking will naturally decrease this, as users will be directed to other relevant articles. Also, Google bots are designed to emulate user behavioral patterns and evaluate your website. A smart and efficient network of links on the pages help crawlers find regions which are not frequently visited by the users, thus boosting your site's ranking. Ensure that the pictures on your website have file names which include the target keyword. Also, your target keyword should be part of your image's alt text. This will improve optimization for your article, and also create a clearer picture for the search engines to the relevancy of your article. Images are an important component of any website, as they make pages visually attractive as well as informative. Optimizing your images should naturally boost your ranking. Also, your image will get a high rank in Google image search. Long-tail keywords get less search traffic, but will usually have a higher conversion value, as they focus on a more specific product. Long-tail keywords are queries that are more specific than more conventional head keywords. Long-tail keywords are more targeted and less competitive than short-term keywords. If you have just started your SEO campaign for a brand new website, then I would definitely recommend concentrating on long-tail keywords.
Latent semantic indexing keywords are the synonyms and variations of your main keywords, which may be in the form of a phrase or word. Latent semantic indexing keywords are part of Google's algorithm to understand user search habits and give users the best quality content for their search queries. Graph and Google Trends are tools you may also use for this purpose.
Do you know, meta descriptions are one of the most important and visible elements, next to your title tag and URL that convince people to click. If you want traffic on your latest article and efficiently on your website, make sure that the meta descriptions are attractive and informative. They should arouse the viewer's curiosity within the 150 words.